Regular exercise plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being. Engaging in physical activity on a consistent basis offers numerous benefits that extend beyond physical fitness. This essay explores the various advantages of regular exercise, ranging from improved cardiovascular health and increased strength to enhanced mental well-being and stress reduction. By understanding the positive impact of exercise, individuals can be motivated to incorporate physical activity into their daily lives, leading to a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. Planking is a popular exercise that primarily targets the core muscles, including the abdominals, back, and hips. Engaging in a daily one-minute plank routine can have several potential benefits. Improved core strength. Planking activates and strengthens the core muscles, which can enhance stability and support for the spine and improve overall posture. Increased abdominal definition. Regular planking can help tone the abdominal muscles, leading to a more defined midsection. Enhanced overall fitness. Planking engages multiple muscle groups, including the shoulders, glutes, and legs, promoting overall muscular endurance and strength. Better posture. Strengthening the core muscles through planking can help improve posture, reducing the risk of back pain and promoting a more aligned and upright position. Injury prevention. A strong core stabilizes the body during various physical activities and can help prevent injuries by providing better support to the spine and other muscles. Improved balance and flexibility. Planking engages the stabilizing muscles, improving balance and stability. Additionally, holding the plank position can also help stretch and increase flexibility in the posterior muscle chain. It's important to note that individual results may vary, and the effects of planking will depend on various factors such as your starting fitness level, body composition, and overall exercise routine. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare or fitness professional before starting any new exercise program to ensure it aligns with your specific needs and goals. Physical health benefits. Regular exercise has a profound impact on physical health. It strengthens the cardiovascular system, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and improves overall physical fitness. Firstly, engaging in aerobic activities such as running, cycling, or swimming enhances heart and lung function, improving cardiovascular endurance. This, in turn, reduces the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. Additionally, exercise aids in weight management by burning calories and increasing metabolism, contributing to a healthy body weight and reducing the risk of obesity. Moreover, regular exercise strengthens muscles and bones, promoting better balance and reducing the likelihood of falls and fractures, particularly in older adults. Overall, the physical health benefits of exercise are extensive and vital for maintaining a healthy body. Mental and emotional well-being. Exercise is not only beneficial for the body, but also for the mind. Regular physical activity has been shown to have a positive impact on mental and emotional well-being. Firstly, exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which can improve mood and alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Furthermore, engaging in physical activity boosts self-confidence and self-esteem as individuals achieve fitness goals and witness improvements in their physical abilities. Regular exercise also promotes better sleep patterns, allowing for a more restful and rejuvenating sleep, which is essential for mental clarity and cognitive function. Additionally, physical activity can serve as a healthy coping mechanism for stress, helping individuals manage and reduce feelings of tension and overwhelm. The overall impact of exercise on mental and emotional well-being is significant, providing a natural and holistic approach to improving mental health. Increased energy and productivity. Engaging in regular exercise can boost energy levels and increase productivity. Contrary to popular belief, physical activity doesn't deplete energy but rather enhances it. Exercise increases blood flow and oxygen supply to the muscles and tissues, resulting in improved energy levels and reduced fatigue. Regular exercise also improves cognitive function, including memory, attention, and creativity, which can enhance productivity in daily tasks, work, and academic performance. Moreover, exercise has been linked to better focus and concentration, allowing individuals to stay engaged and attentive for longer periods. By incorporating exercise into daily routines, individuals can experience heightened energy levels and improved productivity in various aspects of life. In conclusion, regular exercise offers numerous benefits that positively impact both physical and mental well-being. From improved cardiovascular health, increased strength, and weight management to enhanced mood, reduced stress, and increased energy levels, Exercise plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. It is essential for individuals to prioritize physical activity and find activities that they enjoy to make exercise a sustainable and enjoyable part of their routine. By embracing regular exercise, individuals can reap the remarkable benefits it offers and enjoy a better quality of life overall.